Hi everybody. Today I have leftover Thanksgiving ingredients and I'm gonna juice them. So I don't have a juicer yet. I want to get one, but they're kind of expensive. So for now I have my blender and I bought this little mesh strainer with a handle and I'm gonna try it out and I'm gonna make some juice. So I have some carrot. I'm just gonna put everything into my blender. I have some green apple, and also in here I have some celery, which I don't really like fresh celery, but it's supposed to be good for you, so I'm gonna try it, and maybe all these other ingredients will kind of mask the taste of it for me. And then in this one I have cranberries, lemon, and oranges. So I'm just gonna add everything to the blender and then add a little bit of water. Actually, a lot of bit of water. All right, and then I'm gonna get this on the blender and maybe blend about 2 or 3 minutes, and I'll be right back. It's done blending and I'm ready to try out my new strainer. So I'm gonna put that in here. And I'm gonna pour our Thanksgiving juice. See how it works. Actually works pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze it through a little bit to hurry this along. And I might use this more often until I get my juicer that I want. I don't know which one I want yet. Do you have a juicer that you like? Let me know in the comments, because I'm looking for one. But until then, this works pretty good. All right. Now, I'm going to try it out with my cup, with my flip-flops. That's actually pretty good. Kind of wondering. I like it. I could drink this more often. Thanksgiving is delicious and healthy, and in a cup.